Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically allow Discord to access your iPhone camera roll. So go to your settings and you are going to scroll down until you find the Discord app. So my one is here. I'm just going to select the Discord app. Then I am going to select allow Discord to access photos. It says none here. So select the all photos one. You can also select selected photos, but I would just select the all photos one so it's easier. And that is pretty much it. It is super simple. That's how you can basically allow Discord to access your iPhone camera roll. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.